everyone will be scared of me. Wow, that's a dinosaur. They will be like this. I'm serious, guys.
If we throw the garbage,
If we throw the garbage on the planet,
yeah.
the planet will make a motion. It will make sad motion.
Okay.
Okay. So planets can make motions. But you can also tell your kids, these planets can make motions.
You don't throw the garbage, okay?
You don't throw the garbage on the planet. वरना आपका planet sad हो जाएगा.
Yeah. So make the environment clean.
Yes, but also the bad people, if the throw trash on your feet, because you have to clean it from your own.
Yeah.
And if there's lots of garbage outside of your planet, you can go out of your food pocket. You can pick up all the garbage and put it in the trash bin.
Hey, that's great information, Navi. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's good thing. Okay, let's don't change the topic. Let's tell me about another planet.
Mars.
Mars. Which color is the Mars?
Just don't tell colors.
Okay, tell me about Mars. Something about Mars. The fun fact.
Okay. We don't want to change the topic.
Yeah, I'm not changing the topic. We are talking about planets.
But you're not saying the planet.
Should I tell the planet name?
No, it's a planet.
Okay.
Mars is a whole round in the circle
Yeah.
that comes from the Earth and very angry planet.
It's an angry planet.
Yes,
Okay.
but Mars still stays on the Earth. It stops on the gravity.
Is there a gravity in Mars? Hmm?
That's an angry planet.
Mars is an angry planet.
Yes.
Okay. In Earth,
Just
we
like fuse.
hmm?
Just like fuse.
Fuse.
Yes.
Okay.
You know who's fuse
No.
or your.
Oh, oddbird. Okay, okay. So he's angry.
Yes. He
Okay.
be every time angry and he broke everything so his hammer. Just like this. Tack, 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 tack.
Okay, okay, okay.
Like that.
Okay. Can I tell you another planet?
Oh yes, you can.
Uranus.
Whoa. How many moons that has?
I think that has 2 or 3 moons. I'm not sure about that. I will check and I will let you know about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can tell the next.
Neptune.
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 Neptune is the 7th planet.
Neptune. Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune, baby. It's a Neptune. Neptune.
Saturn.
Saturn. Yeah, that's correct.
Saturn has its own circle
It's a ring.
and there's rings around
Yeah.
for making it flatter.
Yeah. The ring is revolving around
You
Saturn.
know, we can make all the planets tiny, tiny, like this in their own line.
Yeah.
Top, top, top. Then we will earn the planets and we will make numbers. Then we will learn how to get the. I'm scared to go back.
Okay, there are 2 planets left, baby. Which are they? Do you know?
No.
Mercury. Mercury is a planet which is closest to Sun. Okay. And then Venus. Venus is the planet second closest to Sun.
Now, I will tell you. Venus.
Venus, yeah, that's correct. Venus is the smallest planet in the universe.
This much.
Not too small, smaller than Earth.
This much.
So it's like, yeah, this much. It's like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto.
Pluto?
Yeah, Pluto is a planet, ninth planet.
But Pluto is sad because anyone gives him a high five.
Yeah, because it's too far away now.
Yes, anyone can reach.
Yeah, no one can reach.
Anyone can't reach to the sky.
Yeah. But people are going in the sky using rockets nowadays.
Oh yes, but I have seen it Pogo also.
Huh?
Pogo.
What is Pogo?
That's oddball.
Okay.
That's an oddball.
Okay.
But do you know who's bubbles?
Huh?
Do you know who's bubbles?
No.
That yellow. That yellow.
Yellow?
That yellow oddball.
Okay. Yellow hardcore is a bubble.
Yes.
That's great. You have a great info. So we are done with the planets. So what
Let's talk
things?
about something else.
Just let me know quickly what things we learned so that our guys will know it. It's like we know about the sun today,
Yes.
and what else we know about
Planets.
planets and clouds. Clouds.
Clouds.
How do clouds form? And about the soil
Soil.
and
About
water.
water.
Okay, so next time we'll come with more information.
Bye guys.
हेलो हाय गाइस, तो आज हम आए हैं खरड़ और खरड़ आके देखिए भाई साहब क्या मस्त मौसम हो गया इधर, मज़ा ही आ गया यार। वो ये है स्वप्निल की गाड़ी और आगे ये वाली मेरी गाड़ी है। और ये देखिए यहाँ का नज़ारा आप, जीबीपी क्रेस्ट, खरड़ में हैं हम। और क्या मस्त तूफान, क्या मस्त हवा चल रही है, ऊपर से मस्त लोकेशन है यार, मज़ा ही आ जाता है। It's raining, maybe it's raining.
Thakur, how are you? How are you, Mr.
I'm using it
Thakur?
today.
Okay, good
I
job.
need the date
You are.
for
You
living at my
Yeah.
house.
Sorry?
So you have to all follow me. You all take your computers and
Probably you
work
have
on your computer
Okay.
and start taking your
to.
computer
The day.
from all the shows.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Right?
Okay.
And I have my own
Maybe I want to buy a new computer, but that is very costly, very expensive. What should I do?
You shall give lots of money.
Where did I get money?
You can get it from your purse.
But from where did I get it on my purse?
From all the piggy bank.
Where is the piggy bank? I don't have any piggy banks.
But do you know, first we had a piggy bank and I put lots of money in it.
Yeah, but that one has just a little money for a laptop which I want to buy. That is very, 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 very expensive.
Wow.
Then you.
पर मैं तो चिकन का थोड़ा पीस खाती हूँ.
पर चिकन से थोड़ी बोन स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. चिकन से तो सिर्फ फैट बनता है. मटन में ज़्यादा प्रोटीन्स होते हैं. 100 times more protein than chicken. एंड प्रोटीन खा के क्या होता है? मसल्स बनते हैं. मसल स्ट्रेंथ बनती है. ओके.
Do you know?
और
that
कैल्शियम
I'm getting
खा के
very
बोन्स
fat
स्ट्रॉन्ग
like
होते हैं. बोन्स जो हैं वो.
Do you know I'm getting very fat like you?
You are going to be fat like me.
Yes,
How?
because I eat lots of chicken and I will be a dinosaur. I will speak very loud.
And
Everyone will be scared of me. Wow, that's a dinosaur. It will be like this. I'm serious, guys. This
Okay,
movie
and-
is very serious.
okay, and how about if you eat mutton, what will happen then?
It will make my muscles strong.
Yeah. So tomorrow I am going to make mutton.
Okay.
I will not add chili in it
Why?
because you don't eat chili, na?
Oh, I eat tiny chili.
Okay, I will add tiny chili. Then you can eat mutton with rice.
Yep, I can.
Sure?
Yes.
You
sure.
promise me?
Yes, I do.
I'm recording this video that you promise me that you will eat mutton with me tomorrow. Okay?
Where is meat?